Nanu, babo, Kabalen. First of all, thank you so much, COHO. No? It is very rare, although we have a close community po, through online, we chat, but very rare po na magkakasama po kami dito. So, thank you so much, COHO, for bringing up this event. Alright, Nanu, babo, Kabalen. Kumusta kayo po? Ako yung Luis Sonding, we're in Pampanga. Nice suit, ha? Medyo pa-mayor ko pangin. Ay, ala po. Ayaw po, sige po. Sige po. Nanu, babo, Kabalen. Alright. I was informed 1 hour 30 minutes po.
Sure, sir.
Oh, sige, di na tayo kakain. Okay, so, ito, Nanu, babo, Kabalen. First of all, thank you so much, COHO. No? It is very rare, although we have a close community po, through online, we chat, but very rare po na magkakasama po kami dito. So, thank you so much, COHO, for bringing up this event. Alright, so August 25, 2018, that was 5 days after nag-attend ako ng vlog con with Juice and Blues. So that was the first time I met these guys, 2018. Also with Jericho, nandun. So 5 days after I attended that vlog con, I uploaded my first ever attempt to do a daily vlog. Okay, so in that video, I publicized why I wanted to do a daily vlog, but I didn't mention there na 30 days period lang yun. So for 30 days, I will try to do daily vlogging. I wanted to do something I never did before, never done before. So it was a challenge for me, I think, na it changed my life forever. Yeah, so that's it. That's the first vlog ever. Let's do this, sabi ko. So during that 30-day period, there was a phrase that kept me motivated. There was something, kasi super, later on I will tell you the story. But there was a phrase, there was a hashtag that kept me motivated, and I will tell that later on. Today, I hope I will be able to inspire you guys. I know you are all, happy in your status or successful in some way. But let me just share my personal name din naman ako. So this is my stage. Alright. So page, sige ba? Okay, page 3. Ayan. So this was just recent sa Quest. So, super. We stayed in the Grand Villa. It was supposed to be Donald Trump's house. And nandito siya. So we stayed there for overnight, and then we did golfing. Pero I want to share this one. No, the value of something a creator creates is not based on like and subscribers. This is what I want to parang share with you guys this time, just to give you an insight. Where Pampanga started with our daughter. So 2 years old pa lang siya noon, and then we go to, since na-excite po kami sa kanya, no? So we go to places and we hashtag her, where is Isa now? Saan si Isa ngayon? So our friends would guess, where is Isa? And then, we enjoyed the interaction. So nagre-reply sila, saan yan? How's the food? How did you get there? So sabi ko kay wife, okay, so let's start a vlog just to tell the people where in Pampanga are we. So we just, yun lang ang pinaka-object namin at that time. We just want to tell the people that this place is existing. It's gonna take some time and it's probably not gonna work. Again, I would like to leave this quote here because later on, I will expand further. So, enough about me. Let's talk about the journey. So, yung 30 days na ginawa ko yun, that was August 25. So for 30 days, I did vlogging. So this is the first day. Sabi ko, let's do this. So I made a public declaration that I will do a daily vlog. It's gonna take some time and it's probably not gonna work. I know, sabi ko kanina, you are all happy, contented, and somewhat success in your own measurement. Diba? But there was a time when we were starting, this was our idea. And sabi ko dito, if you can laugh in this kind of statement, you can probably succeed. Kapag sinasabi mong, what the heck, magpo-post ako ngayon, no one will watch, or no one will appreciate, at least in the core of your, like for example, family, relatives, friends, they enjoyed it, that's already success. Yeah, so this was the phrase that kept me motivated. There's no such thing as small creators. There should be a change in narrative that the value of something a creator creates is based on some other people's like or subscription. No. So hopefully I was able to encourage you guys. That was my 30-day journey. After Nanita, I gained like memory muscle. Kasi kakakanin ko na yung guy. So tumigas lang dito ako sa kakahako ng camera. Kumapal din yung mukha ko kasi wala na akong pakialam kapag may nakatikin sa akin habang nag-vlog. Noong December, I started to vlog in Kabalen. So that was the time I transitioned from wala mo kasi minsan I tried to parang please some other people. Pero when you vlog naturally, when you vlog itong who you are, ako aliko makanta kakalog with the other guys. Medyo serious ko kasi aliko lupang makatula Lumakin makatula. Pero that's who you are. I mean, in your own way, you're gonna be successful. You're gonna have your own measurement na talagang, yeah, I'm there. So, I want to inspire you guys, no such thing as small creators. Thank you.
Alright, again a round of applause please for Sir Louis. He's in the